oxen often use their strength to compete for territory and establish dominance within the herd, especially in wild areas like Yellowstone. Could this actually be a favorite retirement hobby for some Americans?
شوف الحفرة يا الشرف.
Infrastructure isn't built to withstand extreme weather. Even a single heavy rainstorm can seriously impact an entire city.
ओ भाई खुश भाई ओ यार ओ क्या
Oh no.
Oh, they're all going down. Holy shit.
Love to hear thoughts from viewers familiar with the ocean who may be able to explain this unusual phenomenon. Is that really a Wi-Fi tower hidden in the middle of the forest? Sturdy homes couldn't withstand the force of the floodwaters in Asheville, North Carolina. It's another reminder that we need to take action to help protect the environment.
Jesus, that's great.
The footage from Jonesboro, Arkansas shows why tornadoes remain one of the weather phenomena people both admire and fear. calmer.
Over on there. Take it up.
Agora está com 12 parcelas de R$ 150 mensais.
The giant fins of the flying gurnard may look like they help it move faster underwater, but in reality, they're mainly used for defense and display.
Wow. That's all I can say.
The northern lights dancing across the skies of Alaska created a breathtaking scene that few people could ever forget.
That's wild.
Holy. This bridge is gonna collapse. We are not.
Just a few seconds of lost attention at an intersection can turn an ordinary trip into a tense situation.
Yeah. I'm going to pick my wife up from the train with an umbrella, and I'm thinking, what's the point? Like just 1050, then I like 10 wheeler.
I think I just peed. No! That's right. Right for you. A Coke for you. And a napkin? I get it for you. Thank you.
Tons of cement suddenly collapsed at a factory in China, creating a massive...
Knee high or better. Standing just off the curb at knee high. Firefighter. Water is just pouring over that car.
Floodwaters in Dinant, Belgium turned cars into helpless toys, a powerful reminder of just how overwhelming nature can be. Some moments may seem small, but they're enough to make the entire day feel brighter. Comment number 1. If this made you smile. This hillside had remained peaceful for years. Then the rain arrived like a strict inspector, turning everything around it into complete. The sun slowly set over Tipperary, Ireland. A flock of starlings moved together above the lake in a mesmerizing natural display.
He'll be here. He's only an hour late. Everyone calm down. He'll be here. He'll be here. He'll be any minute. He's gonna walk through the door.
In Yellowstone, there was probably no need to update the map anymore because the floodwaters decided to remove the bridge from the route entirely.
That was our way home.
This be how some Texas residents choose to enjoy retirement. The ocean doesn't care how large a ship may be. One situation beyond control and every plan can collapse within moments. Electrical sparks burst through the night like fireworks as a major storm brought down power lines in North Philadelphia. Had to rate his reaction on a scale from 1 to 10, what score would you give him? Never assume your size gives you the right to intimidate others. The cat stepped in without hesitation to defend its friend. Thousands of jellyfish suddenly transformed the harbor in Trieste into what looked like a glowing sea of living lights. Truly incredible. Nature just finished putting on an incredibly powerful display. How much do you think the insurance claims for these vehicles will cost? Have you ever seen a phenomenon like this where you live in the United States?
And here you go, just the way you wanted it.
Oh my god!
Extra frizzy.
I absolutely love it! Oh my god! I can wash the walls!
Scenes like this remind us how unpredictable the weather can be. What's it like where you are today, peaceful or just as intense? A careful glance before crossing the road can make a huge difference in critical moments. Rainwater soaking deep into the ground combined with steep terrain and long-term erosion
카메라만 녹가 카메라 놓고 있을 때가 와간데서 미센나 거짓말. 아까 큰거 그래. 또 뭘 뺐더라 원이장. 너무 여기 있어.
Near the island of Majorca, 4 waterspouts appeared at the same time over the sea, a rare sight that left everyone stunned.